The Five Peaks Lookout, a masterpiece by Scott Edwards Architecture, is a testament to the harmonious blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty. Nestled amidst the rolling hills of Oregon's wine country, this architectural marvel offers breathtaking panoramic views of five majestic peaks: Jefferson, Hood, Adams, St. Helens, and Rainier. The home's design is a masterful response to the site's unique topography. The architects ingeniously carved out exterior spaces from a linear volume, maximizing the connection to the surrounding landscape. Floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors seamlessly blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, inviting nature's splendor into every room. The minimalist interior, characterized by clean lines and a monochromatic palette, is punctuated by warm wood accents that evoke the surrounding forest. A dramatic cantilever, supported by a striking concrete fireplace, extends the living and dining areas over a steep drop, offering an unparalleled 270-degree vista. This bold architectural gesture not only amplifies the connection to the natural world, but also inspires a design language of suspended elements throughout the home. The interior design further reinforces the indoor-outdoor aesthetic, with materials and finishes echoing the exterior elements. The dark wall tile in the main bathroom, for instance, mirrors the ebony-stained siding that wraps around the glazing and defines the main hallway. The use of elemental materials like concrete, wood, and steel adds depth and warmth to the minimalist architecture, creating a sense of harmony between the built environment and the natural world. The Five Peaks Lookout is more than just a home, it is an experience. It is a place where one can immerse oneself in the beauty of the Oregon landscape, where the boundaries between inside and outside dissolve, and where architecture becomes a seamless extension of nature. If you're captivated by this modern masterpiece, be sure to like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible architecture and design content. Thank you for watching.